Hey guys, it's Jaleesa. Welcome back to my channel. To spend 349 days doing something other than YouTube has definitely been very interesting, to say the least. So I guess I can kind of tell you what I've been up to, where I've been, what I've been doing. So after spending years and years on YouTube, don't get me wrong, I absolutely loved my life and what it was, but I can't lie, I had so much burnout of constantly turning and churning and being present. And after a while, it just became really, the way that I was making content was difficult for my personality style, because I'm just not a like grind, hustle type of girly. Like, I love my leisure, I love my downtime, I love a good vacay. And so for me, it just, being a content creator means having to be forever present, you know? Like, bad days, good days, you still need to be on. That just was not my personality. So I burned out very quickly because of always just having to be present when I didn't, necessarily want to. In the time that I spent with all my kind of downtime, I decided that I wanted to like kind of expand my skills. Being a content creator and creating content has really helped me to like understand social media and understand the wheels of social media, how social media turns, and kind of like the game that you play, the constant, always on constant game that you have to play. And so for me, I was really good at running that engine. I was really good at figuring out what was good for social, how to create content that was interesting, educational, that had a lot of value, and it was very fun for me because I love to teach. Like, I'm a teacher at heart. So for me, it was really fun, but I didn't always want to be in front of the camera. And so I ended up deciding that, okay, I want to learn what it looks like behind the camera. I want to learn what it looks like to run social media, but not necessarily for just myself, for businesses, other large entities, corporations. And it started out with me doing social media for Lady Gaga's makeup brand, and that was super fun. I loved that. Got to create tons and tons of content, creating the plans, tease new collections, new products, which was super fun because it felt like I was learning so much about startups and learning so much about the business of cosmetics. And so it was fun, but it just became, again, very taxing because that team wanted me to create content for them and be a social media manager, and kind of a conflict there. And then we just decided to part ways, and I ended up moving back to Arizona, which I absolutely freaking love. Arizona is just one of the most beautiful places, I think, in America. I've been to a lot of places in America, and Arizona is just one of the most stunning places I've been to. So I've been very happy here. And while I've been in Arizona, I have been doing social media marketing for a home building company. If you know anything about me, you know that I absolutely love interior design. It's been a year and some change, and I can't tell you that I have had any more fun with any other job, other than like being an influencer, which I never really thought of as a job, but it is. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. So right now, I really feel like it's time for me to come back. It's time for me to create content and be creative again. I took that time. I took a long break because, again, I felt like it's what I needed. And I've always been the type of person to listen to myself and listen to what I need and not push myself in a direction that doesn't feel right for me. So I feel good now. I feel like I have the time, I have the free time to be able to create again and be creative again. And so with that, I feel like I have so many ideas. So yeah, it's been quite a little journey for me, to say the least. But it has been super, super, super rewarding. What I'll be doing is filming like I used to. When I was with M.I.A, I know a lot of you guys know me from M.I.A. When I was at M.I.A, I was filming 3 productions, okay? These weren't just like I'm in my bedroom filming a video. I had a full set at M.I.A. I had a videographer. There was who would turn into a photographer. I built a set, like we built a set at M.I.A. I had an editor if I needed one. So when I tell you it was a full production 3 times a week, now I won't be doing that because I film at home now. And I quite prefer filming at home. It just feels cozy being able to just like film, do what I need to do. I'm home and it's like, you know, it's like my setup. Just, you know, filming more often again and going back to like a regular cadence of at least once a week and checking in. And it'll always be about beauty. It'll always be about confidence, ways that we can enhance that and ways that we can be better versions of ourselves. I'm just really excited to be back. Oh my God, guess who's here? Your dear true friend, Leonard. Everyone say hello. Say hi, Lenny Beans. See, it's been 349 days. What's going on, guys? Okay, well, oh. But yeah, I'm just really excited to say hello to you guys again. And I've been getting comments and DMs from people who are like, you guys, you don't film anymore. Why don't you film? And it's not that I don't want to. It's just, you know, I felt like I needed a refresher, you know, like a little refresher. I know back then I was talking about a couple of projects that I've been working on, like my skincare line, which I'm still working on. And I feel like I'm at a place now where it makes more sense to launch it now. And also my wall prints with Raw House, my art collection I'm revamping, and I'm coming out with a few different collections, which is super fun. So I have a lot of things that I've been working on, and I'm sorry that I had to go away, but I had to go away to be a better me. And again, I've learned so much just about business, just about life, you know, life in the time that I've been gone. But I really do miss you guys, and I thank you. It's funny because I always go through like my followers, or like when you leave comments and I go on your page, I'm like, my followers, my subscribers, they're also beautiful. They're also beautiful and smart, and you guys are like lovely people, and I'm just excited to be back and part of the community. You guys are going to see a lot of hair content. I know you guys love my hair videos, and I love making hair videos. You'll see a lot of hair content. You'll see a lot of health and wellness, some style. If you want to see more makeup, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And if you guys want to see more hair care, follow me here. I'll be filming tons of hair videos and styling videos on here, as well as skincare and skincare devices, etc., etc. And really my purpose is just to educate you guys, check in with you guys, have conversations with you guys. And again, my purpose has always been to make you guys feel loved and to feel like you love yourself and to truly love yourself and everything that comes with it. So hopefully we can all join together and be our best selves. And I'm gonna head out. The sun is shining. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, and until then, bye.